This video will look at finding the modulus and argument of a complex number. The modulus of a complex number is defined as the distance of that number from the origin. So if we look at this complex number, negative 2 plus 5i, on an Argand diagram, you can see that there's its position and it has some distance, the modulus, from the origin highlighted in yellow. So if we look at finding that, you can see from the diagram that it's simply a matter of applying Pythagoras. So the modulus of z is the square root of 2 squared, or negative 2 squared, which of course is the same, plus 5 squared. And that would be root 29. So that's the distance of that number from the origin on an Argand diagram. The argument is a little bit more complicated. Yes, you can see from the triangle that's been set up that there is an angle theta made with the horizontal. But the argument is always in reference to the positive x direction. Okay, so actually in this particular complex number, the argument is there, starting from that point and measuring around until we hit that diagonal. Okay, so the argument is not theta, it's in this case going to be pi minus theta, just like on a unit circle. So if we look at finding that, we can calculate theta as the arctan of 5 over 2 and then we can calculate the argument of z by doing pi minus that value. Okay, so that's 1.19. Pi minus 1.19 is approximately 1.95. So that angle from the positive x direction, the argument of the complex number, is 1.95. Your turn. If w, a complex number, is defined as negative 4 minus 6i, find the modulus and argument, but I want you to give the argument between negative pi and pi. So at this point, pause the video, have a go at this question, and then when you unpause, we'll do the solution. And here's the solution. Note that for the argument, because we want between negative pi and pi, we are going around to pi, negative pi, sorry, and then forward theta.